In this video, we are going to do lollies in Balboa. So we'll show them to you first.
I'll do my basic. Here we go.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So he's going to show you how to get in and out of the lollies.
Okay, what I need to do, leaders, is I'm going to do my uphold basic and get ready to do a half of a come around. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I separate again. I go part way around. So I'm going to change my position here. So I'm going to separate 1, 2, 3, do a half of a come around. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. At this point, I'm going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. So from here, 1, 2, 3, hold 4, pull her around with my hand, 5, 6, 7, step down 8. Then I go from here, rotate her into me for a tap, step down, kick, step down, tap, step, kick, step. Your kicks are with a straight leg. We rotate in, rotate away. 2, ta-da. We start the count with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to be done. So here's my exit. I go 7, step down 8, walk around 1, 2, 3, back to close, 5, 6, 7, and I complete the come around. So I'm going to do that and not stop at each spot. So basic is first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I do my half a come around. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. Roll her out for 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk. 3, 5, 6, 7. And I'm back to basic. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Now, we're showing you the sort of static when we're showing you how to do this, but as you do the lollies, you actually get to do a little swiveling. So you're going to go in and you can swivel out. You swivel in, you swivel out, you swivel in.
What I do is I look at the partner, look at the audience, look at the partner, audience, partner, audience. And I keep track of what I'm doing. The first tap is on 1, 2, kick 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm ready to exit. Again, I do my come around, which is 1, 2, 3, hold 4, hook 5, 6, 7, pull in 8, basic 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
So I want to show what happens to me, but I'm going to do it in this direction. So we'll start the lollies on 1. So we'll just start the lollies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when he opens up like this, I know we're done. So I'm going to go 7, 8. I go to my left because he threw his hand that way. 8.
I run around.
We go 1, 2, 3, and then we finish the come around. 5, 6, 7, and then we go back to a basic. Okay, so we'll show the whole thing.
Okay, from here, let's see.
Yes, okay.
Okay, I'm in basic.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are the lollies. See you later. Bye-bye.